Hello everyone. So this is going to be the 11th series of our variational autoencoder and generative deep learning series. So yeah, we are going to see today the analysis of the variational autoencoders that we have made earlier. Let's go and see what is in it. We are going to do the analysis of it. Okay, yeah. So analysis is there. Yeah. We have trained our variational autoencoders, and now, we use it encoder to encode the images in the test set and plot the Z mean values. So actually, it has done that. It actually does the plotting of the Z mean here. So you can see all the black points are the Z mean, and the blue points are also the Z mean, but it is shown in the image here. So you can see that it is quite well defined images. Now, the first thing is to see that the KL divergence term, as we have seen in the previous video, the KL divergence terms ensure that the Z mean and Z log variance values of the encoded image never stray too far. So it will not go too far of the normal distribution. It will be very close to the standard normal distribution. And second thing is that you can see that there is quite well defined images. You can see that you can identify it is a jacket or something like that. So so it is the fact that it is more continuous than the autoencoder. Variational autoencoders are more continuous. You can see in the graphs. Just see that red points are here. Here are the somewhat orange points are there. Then the green. Green and violet are there. So all the points are well mixed together. You can see, and it is quite uniform. So so you can see that it is important to remember that we haven't given the labels to it, but it actually learned the thing that the various form of clothings by itself, and they have actually minimized the reconstruction loss also. So that is quite the benefit of the variational autoencoder. And you can see that we are actually working in the 2D space. We are actually working on the 2D space to visualize the things. This helps us to visualize the things and the inner working of the VAE. We'll be turning our attention to the more complex data set and see the amazing things that the variational autoencoders can achieve when we increase the dimensionality of the latent space. So in the next video, we are going to see Celeb A dataset, and we'll be seeing that how this dataset is somewhat complex and how we can make a variational autoencoder for this Celeb A dataset, and how the accuracy will vary and all the things we'll be seeing that. So this was a very small video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe the channel, and meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.